front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner and tap on all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Photos at the bottom left corner, tap on all of your photos and then hit Done. If you want to take a photo and add it instantly, click on the same icon, take a pic, and it will be automatically added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!